Congratulations, for you have completed this course. You have now learned the fundamental knowledge you need in building a Bitcoin mining farm. You also have the various considerations and requirements in building a Bitcoin mining farm so that you can actually now talk with the contractors as well as other installers that you will be hiring to build a state-of-the-art Bitcoin mining farm. Lastly, you now know how to track various metrics and make sure that your mining farm is fully optimized so that you can get the profit margins that you need to succeed in your Bitcoin mining operation. So now, what are your next steps? Well, your next step should be actually figuring out how you can start your Bitcoin mining operation. As you can see right now, mining is getting harder and harder. So the earlier that you're in the game, the better you will be. The best thing to do is actually to partner up with other people so that you could pull your money together and start to plan on how to secure a site and building your Bitcoin mining farm, hiring the right contractors, and make sure that you are building a state-of-the-art Bitcoin mining farm so that you can maximize your earning opportunity. Now, my other recommendation for you is to sign up to my other courses. As you can see from my instructor profile, there are a lot of courses that range from topics on utility concepts in electrical engineering to project estimation to various maintenance in my RCM FMEA course to various sustainability development concepts. Now, one course that I want to recommend for you is to check out my construction estimating quantity takeoff fundamentals course. In there, I actually teach you practical concepts on how you can calculate the various construction estimation that you will be seeing quite possibly in your Bitcoin mining facility construction. Now, perfecting the craft on construction estimating would actually benefit you in this because you will be hiring contractors and you will be constructing whether or not you are securing your own site or you are actually building it from a brownfield already existing building. You are still going to hire contractors to build this for you. So in this case, it is good to actually know how the estimation project works to get a better idea on the ballpark cost it will be. Because for every single business operation, keeping track of the cost and proper estimating is the first step in ensuring your success. Now, I wish you good luck in your future Bitcoin mining operation, and I hope that I could see you in my other courses. Thank you.